everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tutu Tuesday. Well, when you see this, it'll be Tutu Tuesday. It's actually Make It Happen Monday because I need to make it happen for tomorrow so that tomorrow we can have Tutu Tuesday, right? Today I am designing a dress for a special little friend who is turning 4 years old. She is having a mermaid birthday party and her mom wants something creative and new, so I got my notebook here and let's go. Okay, so I kind of want a off the shoulder look, and when I think of mermaid I think of like flowy, so I kind of want like a maybe like a long ruffle right here. It's still hot, and the material that I'm using is that mermaid like lycra material that you've seen probably many people use. And then we're gonna put some shorts with it. I don't think I want it to be cropped, but we're gonna put like some little biker shorts with it. And then what's a birthday outfit without a tutu? So maybe we'll have like some long ruffle action, some long tutu action here. And maybe we'll do some layers. We'll do something different.